Our word for the day is unlearn. Yes, I will repeat it again for the second time once more, this time with feeling over and over again. Unlearn. Why is it since we were small, actually I'm still small, we were always told, you listen and learn, you study and learn, and then in the workplace, you must keep learning. Fine, fine, fine. But let me ask you, what happens to all the garbage in our head, the bad habits? And so I recommend, look at the green light. That is a green for your brain. Before you can fill up a glass or a bottle, it's good to wash it. Same with your brain. Mental health, as Omar said. 3 things. Tom wants 3 things. Okay, Tom, 3 things. Unlearn, unlearn, unlearn. Word for the day, and as grammarian, I'm going to see who's been using that, and I'll be counting the gems and germs as well that you use while you talk. Zip it. Back to you, Lisa.